Are you an ageless athlete who's looking to improve their cardio? Well, don't do another workout before you watch this. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Sean the Floch of Floch Fitness. If you are new to the channel, Floch Fitness is all about fitness, wellness, and longevity for the ageless athlete. So whether it's nutrition tutorials, product reviews, podcasts, or exercise tips like these, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button down below to stay up to date on all of our latest content. Whether you're hitting the gym regularly or not, cardio is something that you're constantly going to hear that you need to incorporate into your exercise routine. But what is cardio? I break up cardio into two separate sections, aerobic and anaerobic training. Aerobic training is sustainable, longer, and requires oxygen for you to complete the exercise. Anaerobic training is the opposite. It's shorter in duration, higher intensity, and doesn't require oxygen nearly as much as aerobic training. Today, I'm going to be unpacking aerobic training for the ageless athlete. The science is out. You should be incorporating aerobic training into your exercise routine on a regular basis. Studies show that regular exercise improves the thickness and mobility of your heart and improves mental health by upregulating proteins in your brain that contribute to both memory and cognitive ability. Now that you've committed to an aerobic routine, you want to avoid these three mistakes in your aerobic training. Mistake number one, making your aerobic training too impactful on your body. As an ageless athlete, keeping the pressure and impact off of the joints is paramount. You only have so many great injuries left and only so many recoveries left. We want to ensure that the aerobic training that you're doing isn't going to be too much of a burden on your hips, knees, shoulders, and lower back. Choose exercises that are low impact. Rowing, elliptical, biking, and even getting pool workouts are great options for the ageless athlete. Mistake number two, doing only long, slow duration aerobic exercise. I have trained hundreds of ageless athletes, and when they come to me, they either have never done aerobic exercise before or they stick to only long, slow duration exercise. I like to mix in tempo intervals to their training, which gets their heart rate up to a point where it becomes harder for them to keep a conversation. Integrate this type of training into your exercise routine, and you'll see your aerobic fitness start to skyrocket. And the final mistake that ageless athletes tend to make is not varying their aerobic exercises. There are dozens of aerobic exercises that you can choose from, but most ageless athletes will stick to what they're good at. If you vary your aerobic exercise on a regular basis, you're not only going to keep your mind fresh, but you're going to avoid repetitive stress injuries that tend to happen on ageless athletes. That's all I have for today. If you like this video or you learned something, you're going to want to hit that thumbs up button down below. While you're there, hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date and all of our latest content. I'm Sean the Floch of Floch Fitness. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.